Python can run on all major operating systems. Any Python program you will write should run on any modern computer, as long as you have Python properly installed. But you have to remember that the methods for setting up Python on different operating systems will be slightly different, and in this video, we will learn about setting up Python on our system, and check whether or not a recent version of Python is already installed on our system. Then we will install Sublime Text as our text editor, and we'll run program called Hello World. This is simple program that will print out word Hello World to the screen, and at the end of the video, we will be ready with a beginner-friendly Python programming environment. We will check whether or not Python is already installed on our Windows machine. First, go to the Start menu, then in Start button, right-click. Then find Command Prompt. Then type Python in all lowercase. If Microsoft Stores pop up, then it means Python isn't available in our machine yet. But if you get a Python prompt, which sign is there are triple greater than or angle bracket, in response, Python is installed on your system. Python isn't installed in Windows by default. We need to install it independently. So, if you don't have Python installed in your machine, you can go to https://python.org/. Then choose to download a Python installer for Windows. Then follow the step. But don't forget to select option Add Python to Path, so it's easier to configure your system correctly. Now you can check again if Python is correctly installed in your machine. First you can open Command Prompt. And you type Python, all lowercase. Then you can see an output that will tell you what version Python is used in the system right now. And if you want to leave Python prompt and come back to Command Prompt, you can type exit with open and close parenthesis. Linux systems are made in Minset for programming, which mean people that choose it is familiar with coding, at least know about terminal. People behind Linux expect the user to do their things of programming and encourage to do. So Python is already installed on most Linux computer. There's very little to install, and only a few settings to change to start programming. Then if you want to check the version that your OS use, you can first, you open terminal, then type Python or Python 3, then again the output will tell what version Python is used in this system right now. And if you want to leave Python prompt and come back to terminal, you can type exit with open and close parenthesis.